Firstly, I'll extend my heartfelt appreciation for the care and attention you've given to my children. In fact, you've done a yeoman's job. I am so grateful for all that you've done to see these kids get back on their feet. And I must say I'm very grateful. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
So, how far? What's up with their condition? Are they okay now?
They are okay. Very much okay from now. And they are really responding to treatment.
Okay.
So I believe in the next few days we can discharge them. Yeah.
In the next few days. On the matter of discharge, there's something bothering me.
Oh, okay.
The young lady.
Yeah, the lady.
Whenever I come here, I don't meet any of her family members or relatives. Have they been coming around? Has anybody laid claim to her?
Okay, for now, I can't really say much about her because I've not had any information about her. For now.
Hey. Then that means her bills will also be on me.
Yeah, that reminds me, I inquired from the OPD about the lady, but I realized they don't have any information about her. Yeah, they don't have information.
Doctor, in fact, I'm not a rich person. Things have not been rosy with me. And I'm praying these bills are not that expensive.
Oh, no, they are not. They are not.
I don't think
Their case wasn't something extreme. So their bills won't be that of something you can't afford. So just exercise some patience. Don't worry.
Well, I want to go. I'll pass by the accounts of it.
Okay.
So that I can get a fair idea of how much I'm supposed to pay.
All right.
So, doctor, thank you very much again.
You're welcome.
In fact, you're doing a marvelous job in this hospital. Thank you very much.
Peace all is one.
What is this? I don't have time for you girls.
Girls, huh? You were there when it happened, weren't you? Jaden admitted causing the accident. We know the truth. Don't lie.
If you have power sensing it, you should not eat all by yourself.
Oh, stop playing with our minds. We heard him confess. He's responsible for what happened.
You deserve it. After all you guys have put in us through,
we have every right to end you here and now.
Please, listen to me. It wasn't like that.
save your breath. We are only sparing you for now, but only for Jaden to see what we felt. Consider this a warning.
The very last one.
In the realms of heaven, a love that is so true. Angels whisper secret of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night. Forever with you, my love, is where I want to go. You are my dream come true, love, so I'll never leave your side. Oh, angels love, surrendered me like a flame. A love that is strong and pure. It's a no shame. Oh, angels love, surrendered me like a flame. A love that is strong and pure. It's a no shame.
Peace all is one.
What happens to you? Bro, are you okay? Oh, sorry. Sorry, bro. It's Abigail and her friends. They cornered me. Things got out of They have bites more than they can chew. I'm going to find Abigail right now. Can you just pray for me?
Bro! Wait, bro. We have to face this.
No, Junior. This isn't right. She has to answer for what she has done.
Jaden,
wait for me here.
Be careful.
Awurajay.
In the realms of heaven, a love that is so true. Angels whisper secret of a love shining through. My love, you are the melody.
See, we must end this now before they neutralize our spell.
But I think we have to make a plan. Otherwise, people will suspect us.
Right, that's true.
I don't think this is the right moment. If we are going to make a plan, we have to find the right moment to do that. To deal with these guys and clear our names. They don't have to see it coming. We have to.
Guys, I want to visit the washroom. You guys should wait a moment, okay? We have to
Seriously?
go to clean. Come on, I'll be back right now.
Hurry up. Mona, do you think this plan will work? Because
Juliet, I tell you, it has to. Okay, these guys are just pushing us around. Not anymore.
I hate
this. It has to work.
I hate this. Seriously. How is this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Hot!
Have you come for vengeance, Jaden?
And what makes you think you can defeat me? How dare you? How dare you hurt my friend? He didn't even help.
Oh, maybe he did. Your friends think they can do whatever they so desire in this school.
Don't play games with me. This is not a joke.
I see. It hurts when your friends get hurt, huh? can do, Wallo.
This is not a joke. Don't have the right.
Hey! What is happening here? Jaden, what are you trying to do?
Sir, it's nothing. It's just misunderstanding.
Okay, follow me. I said follow me.
Okay, sir.
We are not finished. Jaden, not done.
Be solemnly sworn.
Sir, I need to talk to you about something. Listen, you're my real G in this company. I just saw you with Abigail. And the way you were moving and talking, I need to talk to you about it.
Sir, there's nothing serious. We just have a chat. Really? Yes, sir.
Anyway, I really need to talk to you about something.
What's on your mind?
It is about Madame Judith.
Madam Judith?
Yeah.
I can see someone is in love. Say, you are crushing on her?
I think so. How did you know?
Oh, that's unexpected. Yes, you are the professor with some kind of secret crushes, yeah?
I need to get one or two pickups, some words, some vibes that I can use to handle this day, because the way I'm feeling is so strong.
Say, don't worry. I got you. You know what? I'll help you out.
Sure about this?
You just surprise him, yeah? Don't worry, you know, you need to take things slow, yeah? So that you can calm down.
I'm feeling okay already. I'm getting better. In that case, you need to come and see me at my office.
I'll do that right after the class.
Sure. So, see you at my office, okay?
My G!
Really G.
My G!
My love, you are the melody that fills my heart, oh God. You guide me on my journey through the dark of night. Forever with you, my love.
Why? Don't you like porridge?
Where I want to go.
What is wrong with you? You've hardly eaten anything in this house since you came. Why don't you like the food I cook? Huh? Or you would prefer something else? Take some of the buffalo.
It's nice. Auntie, I want to have a discussion with you.
Yeah, Mr. Discussion.
This one is
What is it you want to discuss this time?
Do you know I've never had a chance to celebrate my birthday since I was 5 years? And I'm thinking of doing that this year. At least I didn't die in the accident, so I need to be thankful.
Well, that isn't a bad idea. I think we'll make it like a good celebration. Yeah. Emma.
I'm sure I'm the same age as you.
No. You look younger than me. I'm sure you're adding your age.
Ramadi, there's nothing wrong if you don't remember your first name. We are only young ones, so just make the most of it, okay?
Try and eat it. Hammer, what did you school?
School? I'm not into that system.
I mean, in this corrupt system, the only way to survive is through school. Try it out. Stop smelling it. Eat.
Anyways, I've been planning on taking you shopping. As a young lady, I need to get you more stuff. I mean, more feminine stuff. So I can always look attractive. Okay?
Thank you, Ma.
So give me a list of the kind of things you might need or you will need. No. There are so many things in vogue now. I need to get you some current stuff. Eh?
Okay.
But try and eat something. This is buffalo.
I'm surprised though. Anyways, since after eating we're not doing anything else, do you mind we go for a stroll? Go walk around?
Yes.
We'll help jog your memory sometimes. So you're in?
Amen.
Okay.
Your amnesia is not helping because you hardly seem to remember anything.
Stop smelling it, it's food.
Have you not seen buffalo before?
It's okay. We can get something else when I move to the shop. If you don't want it, it's fine. What's about? It's okay. What? She's new, just she's new.
Hello?
Hey bro, can you move a finger now?
Yeah, I'm doing alright. I'm just taking a walk with the romantic clients.
Oh, that's nice. Mind if I join you guys?
Sure, that would be great. I mean, we are near the park on Fifth Avenue. I mean, come join us.
Alright, sure. I'm coming right away.
I sure. Take care, yeah?
Alright.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
One.
JJ, listen. I need more vibes. I need more vibes.
Say,
I'm feeling nervous.
this is your final chance. Yeah?
Yeah. Okay.
Here is how you do it. Just gather the confidence. Be more confident. Go straight to her. Be more confident. Go straight to her. Look into her eyes. Say,
Looking into her eyes is the issue. You don't get it. The more I look into her eyes, the more I become perplexed.
That's why I said all you need is the confidence. Listen, when you get to her, just speak from your heart and make her feel.
Killian,
Madam.
why are you doing this to yourself? Why do you have to miss my class?
Madam, I'm sorry.
That is why I said all you need is the confidence. Listen, sir. When you get close to her, just speak from your heart and tell her how you feel. That is it. That is it. That is it. Trust me.
His soul on his one.